Okay guys, so this is my sun hat here. Now, this ring is the camera mount that I use for my Insta360 Go 2. And this little pink part was used to hold this light in place. Now this light is not super heavy, but it's heavy enough that it causes the front of the hat to droop down uncomfortably. And whenever you go to use this, you have to go through two options to get to the green light, and then through that blinking one to turn it off. So if you want to talk to somebody, first you have to blind them with the strobe. Anyway, so we've taken this off and we've modified the hat. Let me show you. So now we've changed this. It used to be a solid ring. It used to be a solid reinforced ring that we have right here. Now we have these in sections, and in the middle one we have an integrated LED lights, the same lights that I use on this thing right here. And those are 3 volt. They pull, I think it's 40 milliamps. And then on the back we have our light box. Underneath here, I'm going to pull this out. We're using one 123A battery. Now these are USB rechargeables. We see them right here. They have a little USB recharger built onto the side of it. And we're going to carry spares with us, of course. And those things, I think, are 400 or 500 milliamp. So we should get a few hours at least out of use and then carry one out. Obviously here on a little holder here, we didn't put a diode in place, so we're gonna have to be a little careful. I've got it with a positive and negative, really easy to see, and then when you flip the switch on, it turns on the light. So let me go show y'all what that looks like in the dark. Put the cover back on here. This is just protected from rain because on occasion I do get caught in rainstorms. So I said, one of the really nice things about this is that because the battery is on the back, the weight distribution is a lot better. That, and because it's on the back, it'll hold that back over my neck during the sun, you know, when I'm out there picking up during the day. And at night I've got the integrated light I can turn on right there. But let me show you what it looks like when it's dark. Okay, so we're here in the bathroom. That's probably a pretty good approximation of the amount of light that you have on the beach. But I'm gonna turn it on, and it lights up the whole area. It gives me a nice broad coverage over the entire thing, and it doesn't block my view from my head at all. Now obviously it's really bright if you're looking straight at it, but if I need to talk to somebody, I can easily flip it back off with the light switch that's located right here on the back of my head. So yeah, I think this is a winner. What do y'all think?